Happy holidays! I am making for you today a candy cane wreath. Let's get into it. I purchased these candy canes in the Dollar Tree. I think I bought like 3 bags. I'm not sure how many are in the bag. I'll have to check again and put everything down below in the description box for you. But all I'm doing here is using hot glue to stick 2 together, and once they're, I hold it a little bit to make sure the glue cools. So once the glue cools, I kept on going and I made a couple. So after I finished making them, I lay them out on the table in the wreath form to make sure I had enough, and then I glue all of them together. So take a look and follow along. Give a thumbs up if you like this. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. So my wreath is looking a little plain. I picked this up in the Dollar Tree to actually hang it on my tree, but I think it will go nice with, you know, just to spruce this up a little bit. So what I do, I use my knife to lift the snowflake off the foam, and I am going to place it on my candy cane wreath and maybe just add a little bit of gems going around just to make it a little more sparkly and Christmas bright. So enjoy, and you know, you could use whatever you would like. You could put a ribbon there, you could use a number of items to just put in that circle to make it the way you want it, to personalize it how you like it. So this is just my take on my Christmas candy cane, and enjoy.